Okay, so if you have any debt with your name on it, credit cards, personal loans, maybe medical bills, car loans, anything joint, or anything where you're the sole obligor, you need to hear this. There's a term that shows up in almost every lawyer drafted marital settlement agreement, and even in most templates. It's called indemnify and hold harmless. I know it's like the most boring term ever, but it's important to know that it's designed to protect people, but sometimes it does exactly the opposite. And even when it does protect you legally, in the real world, so practically speaking, it's basically useless. This term pops up whenever you and your spouse divide debt. Usually it says something like spouse A will take the Visa card debt and indemnify and hold spouse B harmless. It sounds official, it sounds safe, most people sign it. But it does nothing to change your relationship with the lending institution. So if your ex doesn't pay that Visa card, the bank can still come after you. Your credit can still take a hit. Late fees can still stack up in your name, and collections likely won't care what your divorce agreement says. You still get hurt first, and then you have to chase your ex later. And if they're already overwhelmed or unreliable with money or in bankruptcy, good luck. It's especially risky when your ex has inconsistent income, not good with paying bills on time, they're angry or checked out, or they're using money to negotiate, or they don't qualify for refinancing to take you off of the loan. These are the exact situations where people end up with surprise debt, wrecked credit, and months of fixing something that they didn't cause. So here are the safer alternatives than trying to chase your ex later after the damage is done. First, if you have the cash, pay off the debt. Clean break, zero future risk. Number two, you take the debt, but get compensated for it. So you control the payments, then you deduct from your spouse's share of divorce assets or debts, half the balance, plus interest or fees from whatever your spouse receives. At least in this scenario, you'll get the credit card points. Number three, you can require refinancing by a specific deadline. So if they can't refinance by X date, or if they can't transfer the debt to another card in their name only, then the terms automatically change. Number four, make sure you freeze joint accounts immediately so no new charges are made while negotiating. And number five, ask for a term that says you'll receive monthly proof of payment. This isn't controlling, it's just smart.